Python, we have this similar thing to lists, and they're called sets. Now the rule of how we create one is like a list, but instead of square brackets, we have curly braces. So let me call this set ST. Now, what are the differences between a list and a set? In a set, we cannot have duplicate elements. We won't get an error if we do, but if we have them, they'll simply remove them. Let me just have this. Now, let's see what it returns. You see, these 2's are removed. If we want to add something to our set, instead of .append, we have .update. Sorry, that's a mistake. We need to update another set. Now let's see what's this.